In this video, we're going to be going over Instagram's new features they recently rolled out and how you can start utilizing them. So the first new feature is the ability to create polls in your comment section. So when you're creating the post, it'll give you an option to create a poll where the caption would be. Now, it doesn't let you edit this later on, but you can create a poll and then see the results from your audience. So you're going to see this in the comment section and people will be able to vote on whatever your poll is. So if you're asking them a certain question, what product they like, what do they want to see in the future, it's a great way to start engagement in your comment section, and that will really help your post increase its visibility. Now, for the moment, it's only on mobile, but I'm assuming eventually they're going to roll it out for desktop version as well. The next new feature that Instagram recently rolled out is the ability to search in Maps. So they let you have the ability to, when you're searching something and you go over and you tab over to places for whatever you're searching, let's say you searched a location, you'll be able to see on the map everyone who's posted, where the post was actually created. And they also have a toggle filter that you can use where you can search things like restaurants, cafes, salons, etc. You can also search keywords in there as well, so it makes finding local content where it was created or local places a lot easier, and you have a lot more functionality in there as well. So that's something that local businesses should definitely be utilizing. The next feature is called the Backdrop tool. Now, this is an AI media editing tool that you can use in Stories, and it lets you change your background. So the way the tool works is, first off, you just go like you're going to create a story, and let's say you take your photo for your story. Well, you can click at the top, and on the left, there's a button to remove that background or the backdrop tool. Once you press that, it'll start to cut you out of the picture, and you'll have a little text box at the bottom where you can enter in what you want that background to actually be. And it also gives you the option to regenerate whatever it tried to create, or edit it or move forward with the current background that you have. So that tool can save you a lot of time if you're someone who uses a green screen or takes a lot of time to edit your videos, and it lets you just add a flair to your content. At the moment, it's only available in the US, but they're working on rolling it out to other countries right now. The next feature is the Notify sticker. So there's a couple sticker updates here. So the Notify sticker, you have to have a professional account to see this on there, but this sticker allows people to quickly turn on notifications for your posts. You just add it like you were going to go into that sticker section in the top bar when you're making a story or a reel, and you just click that. And if you click on notify, it'll let you change the design of it as well. But what this does is when anyone clicks this, they'll have the option to easily turn on notifications for your posts. So definitely something you should be using. The next stickers tool is AI stickers. Now what this is it lets you write a prompt that will create a new sticker if you do not see one that you want to use. So this is kind of similar to that backdrop where you have a prompt you can write in. If you used AI image generation tools before, it's pretty much just that. It's giving you a bunch of different versions of whatever you type in for that prompt of that sticker, and you can regenerate it, try again, or just mess with different prompts and see if you can create those stickers. So again, another easy way to save time and add another flair to your content. And the last sticker update that they have is cutouts. Now, cutouts allow you to create a sticker from your own pictures. So if you go into the sticker section like you normally would on a story or a reel, you can choose the option that says cut out, and it'll let you upload your picture, and it'll automatically select what it's cutting out, and you can edit and change this and do it manually if you wanted to, or just let it do it automatically, and it will cut that out, whatever is in your picture, and create a sticker from it, and you can use it as a sticker in the future or on that post as well. So if you want to do this for yourself, again, great way to do it without having the green screen and just save time and make your content a little bit better. And the last feature they recently added is called Meta AI. You might have noticed this on your search bar when you're searching something on Instagram. The top, you'll see it says Meta AI, and it's just an AI assistant for chat. Now, it might seem confusing. You're like, where's the search bar? That is the search bar now. So you do have to type in there if you are looking for places, hashtags, accounts, content, etc. So what it does is it provides you the same search results as before. However, you have the ability to ask it a question in that search bar, almost like a mini Google. and it'll open an AI chat in Instagram for you where it will respond like a normal AI chat, like something like a ChatGPT. Now, this is pretty new. It's probably not amazing, but it is something you can utilize. You can ask it things like content ideas, help me with a caption. You can ask it if you're trying to figure out some information for a post or fact check something, you can utilize it for that. So there's a lot of different use cases you can use this for. And if you didn't see the theme throughout all of these updates, they're moving a lot more towards AI. You have that meta AI, AI stickers, that backdrop tool, a lot of different ways. And it seems like they're very focused on the content creation side of things, making things easier for creators and just making things more interactive. And again, more towards AI kind of goes hand in hand with that. So those are all of Instagram's new features. If you have any questions on them, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Tired of feeling overwhelmed with marketing your small business? Let our experienced marketing team help your business grow. With personalized strategies tailored to meet your needs, we'll help you stand out in a crowded market. Contact us today for more information at foxsocialmedia.com.